Hi, welcome to Tech News. My name is Gautam. Today I am going to unbox an amazing product from ASRock, none other than B450M Steel Legend Motherboard. This one. Today I am going to unbox this motherboard. Let's see what's on this box. They mention in this box HDMI, polychrome sync, and AMD Ryzen 3000 desktop ready. So you can use AMD 3000 CPUs and AMD Ryzen desktop 2000 series also. We can use 3000 series and 2000 series also. So AMD AM4 socket. So we'll see this one. Let's open this box. Open. See what's in this box. We'll find all this. So this one is software setup guide. How to set up software. How to set up software. Okay, software setup guide. And one is quick installation guide. They have given on all long edges. I think so. Software installation guide, one card, some driver software, and one steel plate, and RAM software, RAM installation, and SATA sockets, and one screw, and finally motherboard is coming. See, this one is motherboard. We'll close this one first. See, yeah, we keep it like this. See this, yeah, we'll keep it there. Yes, let's go and open this one. See guys, wow, amazing. Excellent, looking beautiful. See guys, wow, it looks nice. See guys, awesome. Steel Legend. These are the heat sinks, guys. Heat sinks. It's awesome. So we'll see some of the features. So what they mention in specifications. Let's see. So first we need to. These are the I/O input output overview. So these are the input output sockets. See guys, these are the input output sockets. We'll see one by one later. So first in specification they mentioned AM4 socket. This one is AM4 socket, and this one is chipset AMD proprietary B450 chipset. Chipset is B450 chipset, and they have given 4 memory slots, 4 RAM slots memory, 4 DIMMs up to DDR4 33 megahertz. So overclock version also we can overclock. So 4 memory slots and expansion slots. So they have given one PCI 3.0 into 16 slot. It comes with steel, and one 2.0 into 16 PCI slots, one, and another one. So PCI 2.0 into 1. They have given 3 expansion slots, and next one is multi GPU port for CrossFireX. They have mentioned in few specifications, and graphics card. Integrated AMD Ryzen Vega series graphics in Ryzen series APU. you need to buy APUs. That one, and this motherboard supports for that graphic cards also. And storage. For storage they have given 4 SATA. For storage they have given 4 SATA slots. 4 SATA slots. SATA slots. Here it is, guys. 4 SATA slots on an Ultra M.2 PCI Zen 3x4. See, this one is here. See, guys, this one is one Ultra M.2 PCIe Gen 3x4 memory slot. You can install here. And one M.2 SATA. And this one is mentioned here M.2 SATA 3. M.2 SATA 3. This slot is M.2 SATA 3 slot. You can install here. And next, RAID. You can manage RAID also. USB. They have given USB ports here. Here, guys, see. Here 4 SATA 3 USB 2 into USB 3.1. So 2 into 3.1 Gen. So what is 2 into? Okay, they mentioned 2 into 2. So these are the 3.1 USB ports. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 they have given. So what they mentioned is 2 into USB 3.1 Gen 2 rear type A+C. Okay, this one. So these are two guys, type C and type A USB 3.1 ports, and 6 USB 3.1. So 2 front and 4 rear. So okay, they have given 6 USB 3.1 and Gen 1. 6, these are 4. I think these are 4 guys, 2 front. So 6 USB. Okay, they have mentioned. Okay, this using these slots. So 6 USB 2.4. So 2.0 USB ports and 3.1 USB ports. Okay. Audio channel. These are the audio 7.1 channels. Audio, Realtek audio. LAN, Realtek gigabytes LAN. LAN port. This here it is. Realtek gigabyte LAN port also. So form factor. This one is MicroATX motherboard. MicroATX motherboard. So these are the specification about this motherboard. So the main features about this motherboard is PCIe steel slot. See, this one is steel. PCIe Express slot is steel slot. And Nichicon 12K black capacitors. So another feature is Nikon 12K black capacitors. See, these are the capacitors, guys. And dual M.2 slots. So they have given 2 M.2 slots for SSD and premium 68 power chokes. See, guys, These are the premium power chokes. Here it is, you can see maybe power chokes. These are the highlight features, and heat sinks also comes with heat sinks. Nice motherboard, looks great. HDMI Windows 10 compatible. They have mentioned RGB lights, polychrome synchro colors, RGB headers. Amazing guys. Okay guys, amazing product. If you want to buy, you can buy it from Amazon also. Nice motherboard. Thank you guys. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.